Hello, Jake's Automotive Service Station. This is Denise. How may I help you today? Hello, Anita. Have you had the car serviced with us in the past? Great, you are a new customer, and our service station was recommended to you by a friend, Kurt Johnston. Yes, I know Kurt Johnston. He has been a good customer of ours for many years. You have a 2010 Honda CR-V, and on several occasions when you try to start the car, it does nothing but click. So you replaced the battery 2 months ago, so that is a new battery. You thought the battery was bad at first, so you went back to Avis Automotive Store and had them test the battery again? So they confirmed the battery is still good, and that is not the problem.